Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus slide. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus slide itself. Now this is a water-based lubricant and it comes in 150 milliliters, so a little goes a long way. The Nexus slide has been dermatology tested and it's specifically designed for anal penetration. The formula is extra thick, ensuring a longer lasting smoothness, and it's also safe to use with latex condoms. To use, simply using the pump a little onto your palm just here. The lubricant itself feels very soft and smooth to the touch and feels really comfortable on the skin as well. The lubricant is fragrance free and also has a neutral taste. Make sure to store the lubricant in a cool, dry place, and the lubricant will also keep for 6 months after opening, so make sure after 6 months to dispose of after use. And that is the Nexus slide. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.